In the video tutorial, this time, we will discuss about PivotTable in Excel. I already have a table that we will be using to create a become a pivot. This will make it easier for us to analyze the data, yes. So we're gonna make it easier by using this pivot table is for analyzing data. Just go to the tutorial. I choose this table. In this way, or by clicking on one of the cells who are in this table. Then press Ctrl plus AD keyboard. Next, go to the Insert tab. Then select Pivot. Just let this tick.
Yeah.
This means we are choosing a table or its range, like this. Then we will put his worksheet be on the same worksheet as this table. Become a pivot on the worksheet, the same as the table. We choose this one. Next, click at this location. Then click here. We'll put it in the cell. This F3. Okay, next, just okay. Then the pivot table looks something like this. Next, after performing like this, we will try to drag or move it. So I'm going to try. I'll put it in a row. So I pull this moon to this part. Well then, the moon will appear. Like this. Yes, he appeared. Line like this: January, February, March, April. Then I'll put it down later. The amount of the sale is here. Of value. Then, this I pull. This one, the amount of sales. Well, it would appear like this. Next, I will put the zone down. In the column then, I pull zone in the section. This column should appear like this. So reading it, this January, the sale is January. In the eastern zone, 100. Zone north 4. Oh, sorry, not in the north zone. In the southern zone of 435. In the western zone of 1. And immediately obtain the grand total like this. February. Also the same as that, so we can see here. Yep. Next. Grand total. For the eastern zone, it shows up on this part. Summed up. 123 plus 600. Added to. The result is not. Same with the case. North zone. Like that. Summed up, yeah? Well, that's the use of a pivot. So the use of this pivot table makes it easier for us to analyze data and read the data. Well, if we want to, for example, I just want to show in January alone how much the amount of sales. Then I click on this one. I chose, oh sorry, this one is January. Means that this one, I lost the scoop. Select all this, then I choose January. Okay. For January just appeared like this. Along with the grand total. Yeah, like that. If for February, the same. Guys can choose this. Remove tick, January. Select February. Then OK. Then what appears is February, along with the grand total, like that. If your friends want to, bring up based on aped. Based on what is the name of the zone? For example, the Eastern Zone. Remove this, select all, then select East. This one then, OK, will appear like this. Ah, this is empty.
Yeah.
Empty yes to the empty East. Yes to the East, empty if it's February. If it's January, just appeared like that. February 4. East Zone does not exist. If we look here, February none then. January is there. Then we have to choose. This one is the month. January. Okay, let me show up. If we want it. This is not the month, but his items are here in this line. Then this month, we pull here. Then the month will be gone. Then we're going to pull his item to this line. Then the item should pop up like this. This we show all. This is a why it doesn't appear. Let's check what the problem is. The Anaya doesn't appear because I have not chosen the select all. Well, like that then, his will appear, so you can replace it. Yes, friends, yes, it doesn't have to be the month. Could have been items. We put it here. The same way for grand total. So being shown like this is all, just like this month. Okay, I think it's enough tutorial. PivotTable in Excel. Hopefully tutorial. This is useful. Thank you.